Whenever you edit a sketch directly, you can delay and force model updates selectively. Let's modify this brake rotor to see how delay update works. Double-click the sketch to open it for edit. On the ribbon bar, note that delay model update during sketch edit is enabled by default. Any sketch changes you make will not automatically update the model. I'll zoom in to add relief to the rotor. I can create and constrain notch curves without updating the solid. To see your changes reflected in the solid, click Update Model. NX updates the model to reflect your sketch changes. You can continue developing the sketch without automatically updating the part. And then force an update whenever you like. For illustrative purposes, let's disable delay update during edit of sketch. I've decided to make the chamfer an independent feature, so I'll delete that curve in my sketch. NX tries to update the solid, but cannot because the sketch is no longer a closed loop. Updates like this can be time-consuming in larger files, and features with dependencies may fail to update. I'll use the make corner command to close the profile. Once you close the sketch loop, the revolve feature updates correctly.